Oh, look at this lineup. This is what I came here for. We got the P1 GT, a P1 Spider, Elva, and a Sesto Elemento without the front. Huh, interesting. Wonder what they're fixing. Oh, all before the Huracan. Sick. So raw. Look at the carbon. Hey, Sean. Now we see the back. Wow, look at this Golf livery P1 Spider. And then we got the front shell right there. I don't think there's ever a video of what's underneath the Sesto Elemento, and now we got to see what's underneath the front. That's sick. Look at the wheels. Ho ho. Let's check out the interior. Wow. I feel like I'm tripping right now. I'm not sure what's going on, but they're literally taking apart the cars, like the P1 Spider and the Sesto Elemento. You got all the tools here. Interesting. This is the godfather of Huracan, and it was introduced in 2010, which is insane because we still had the LP Gallardos when this car came out, and you can see the design language of the Huracan, but just super raw. It's just crazy how they came up with this, and then they down tune it to the Huracan, which is more dateable and more consumer focused, but this is just a track monster. Look at the wheels. One of the sickest design out there. Can't believe it's 15 years old that this car came out, and it's like a forgotten Lamborghini that people didn't really know about because only 20 in the world, and they're just hiding in someone's garage in the collection. So this is road legal, converted by Lanzante, and this is the first time that we've seen without the front. So yeah, it is great that seeing this car out in the wild. And the steering rack is exposed, as well as the pedal mechanism. You see that the pedals are attached to this thing over here. Everything is just raw. And the seats are not actually bolted. It's actually just padded on the chassis. That is insane. And you can actually see some similarities between this and the Gallardo as well. So my Superleggera has the transmission all the way in the back and exposed like that as well, but this one without the bumper. So yeah, there are some cues of similarities right here. And the exhaust, two exhaust pipes from the top, and then if you go down here, everything is just kind of exposed, which is crazy. But I can see some similar components from my car as well. The tires. Don't drive behind this car. It will pick up the rocks. And look at the design on the mirrors. It goes forward like that. Everything about this car, I just can't get enough. Disassembling Sesto Elemento in the parking lot.
Super excited that you're as excited as we are, but this is growing. I don't want it to get too big, and you guys are all super respectful, and we appreciate it. So thank you.
They're putting back the front. It's the first time I've seen it.
Yeah, you got the light plug your side.
Is that clipping, man?
No, it doesn't. It's probably custom. So you got two rollers. That floor should go in it. Like that.
Yeah.
It was road converted in the UK. It's just something
Now we got the front back.
Dude, it's getting.
There is a Diablo.
Literally disassembling the Sesto Elemento. It took off the wing.
If they run it without the wing, it actually works.
That looks pretty cool, actually.
The wing is sick. The road conversion, we retrofitted air conditioning.
We got a wing delete Sesto Elemento. And correct me that this one is one of two road legal Sesto Elemento. The only one in America, and there is one in the UK. How to remove the clamshell of Sesto Elemento.
That's it.
Ho ho. Look at it.
That's fucking sick. It actually grew.
Those are the exhausts. Not yet, but it looks like the exhaust. Exhaust is right here.
Yeah, it's the exhaust. It just goes straight out. Dude, look at
It's too expensive.
They are literally disassembling everything on the Sesto Elemento.
Are you, you're part of anybody who's not here?
Yeah.
It's already over.
Your second best at that one. There's a freaking plastic.
Look at the shell. That's sick. The world's only video on how to disassemble a Sesto Elemento. And there's the mirror right there.
Dude, I had an RC Mini. And I was driving outside in the sun. That sound pretty
So hard to shoot in tight spots. Like if you're trying to shoot the interior there, I don't think it'd be really hard. What are you gonna try and do with the knot?
I have no idea, mate. Shake the right now.
Just look at it.
Rare breaking lights.
Cool stuff not expected.
Boom. So I just spoke with the tech, and to make this road legal, they made a few changes. First is the suspension ride height. They raised it a little bit just for usability. They added the indicators, turn signals, right? And then handbrakes and AC, as well as the mirrors. They're more concave to see it wider. So yeah, here and there are some small stuffs to make it legal. There are only 9 Sesto Elemento, originally planned for 20, but actually there are 9. So yep, that is pretty rare. Got a Revelto. Okay, they are putting back the taillight.
What's this that's...